Why we need all of this? Because this is the one who support the change. Because for example, if we have a bunch of this, but there's no one supporting, dia tak jalan juga. Dia akan stuck. Kalau support je, siapa nak tolong? Dia tak boleh juga. Dia kena ada aktivis. Dan dia kena ada orang yang memang dedicated that send me anywhere. I'm hoping to get there one day lah. Right. And seboleh mungkin kita tak naklah orang ni stay kat sini kan. Right. So this diagram indicate how I see things in university. Ada apa-apa soalan? Boleh relate dengan whatever yang you will be discussing tak? Maknanya how is our project position ourselves in regard with benda ni lah. Okay. Kalau project biasa kat sini kan? Betul? Setakat ni, siapa yang nak mengaku projek dia dah fikir ni, at least sampai sini? Faham ke? Macam JMP ke, MLM ke, mana projek? Oh, this is our activities together. Okay, let's plan supaya kalau dia grad pun semua budak-budak MLM ni grad pun dia akan nanti dia jagalah sekolah mana, jaga sekolah mana. Senang ke nak fikir macam tu? Boleh fikir tu boleh kan? Alright. Now in short the session here, hopefully at least I'm starting with whoever is in front of me, right? How for you to become effective? Now, tadi ramai yang kata macam effective tapi tak efficient, right? But effective require you to deliver. Bila ordernya pizza, keluar pizza, right? So kalau ordernya benda tadi, senang tak nak keluar benda tadi tu? Kalau selama ni kita punya kita rasa capai sebab order kita tu kecil. Faham? Kita punya order ialah program ni jalan 2 minggu sekali contohnya. So dah jalan, order dah sampai. Tapi kalau kita tu projek ni merubah adik-adik tu jadi ni ke, ataupun masuk kampus jadi ni ke, then it is harder to deliver the pizza, right? You understand? So it is actually a really interesting challenge lah, right? And that will influence how your mindset and your thinking in terms of whatever we do. And hopefully, sebab tu kita nak work culture and team kita solid, etc. Saling memahami, knowing we want to go far, etc. And what is important. So we have covered this. Okay. How many of you are familiar with this discussion? What is leadership versus how is this different?